Here's what we're up to today. We're doing French toast with some buttermilk biscuits. Get ready. We got the dredge, I guess you call it, egg and milk and some cinnamon in there. Mmm. Check it out. I just put them in there so we're not seeing anything big, but I've never heard of this before, but I had these biscuits to use before they go bad, so I'm putting them to use, trying this out. So far, so good. Check those out. Yup. So delicious, you guys. Unbelievable. If I never made biscuits last week, I would have never done this. But yeah, not bad at all. I also bought some brioche bread, which I guess is French, so it's perfect for these, right? Think about it. Whenever you go to a breakfast place like Denny's or IHOP or wherever, French toast is always the most expensive thing on the menu. And it's so simple. It's like eggs and milk and some cinnamon and some bread and butter and some heat to make it happen, you know. It's way cheaper to make it at home. And you know, I've always thought French toast looks a lot better with white bread, but I don't usually buy white bread. I buy wheat bread most time, but I don't really eat a lot of bread at home. But yeah, there you have it. Looking fan-fucking-tastic, right? Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. Please give me a smash on that like button. And please leave a comment and tell me where you're at today and what you're eating or whatever you want to tell me. Alright, you guys. Chronic Eats out. Have a great day. Peace.